Tonight we will review Strange Faces and Noises I Can Make 3 by ArtieTSMITW. Artie, I must say that your video was quite juvenile, disgusting, and, well, more disgusting. My faces are far more hilarious. Just watch.
We're from the earth in the misfit.
Oh, pity the fool who plays with my sombrero. As I demonstrated, your faces and voices were not nothing compared to my funniness. For that, I will give you 2 stars, because your pathetic faces were nothing special, just like the rating. Good night, goodbye, and have a pleasant time.